Chassis 127.
Alright, you guys, another traveling video. This one is very important. It's my 30th birthday. I'm going back to Tokyo, but this time, so my 30th, I'm taking my sisters to Tokyo with me.
This one is strawberry milk.
We finally made it to our hotel, getting ready for the night. Kind of give you guys a glimpse of my room. I think I'm so excited that this is my birthday that I'm not really doing a good job vlogging because I'm just ready to get up out here. My hair is copper, but it looks red sometimes. I'm actually just excited to be out here. Gerd and Faustina, this is their first time in Asia, but give me 1 second.
We pop pills, yeah, we pop stars.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in
Mind you, I'm wearing like the tallest heels alive.
when you look back at you. I mean that doggy side, puppy whisper.
Today's day one in Tokyo. Yesterday was just like a little warm up, you know. I was so exhausted from the plane ride. I only slept an hour out of that whole 14-hour plane ride. But headed to the reception because we only booked one day at the hotel because we didn't know if we were staying here or not. We wanted to get another hotel, but we don't really feel like packing up and going to another hotel. About to go talk to them about that. You know you gotta start your day off with a matcha.
I got all this yen account. Our matcha is ready. It's so quiet.
We are on our way to Tsukiji Fish Market. I think it's part 2 of my Tokyo vlog where I had the king crab. Like everybody was staring at me eating. That's where I'm taking my sisters to. We can try a lot of desserts and different types of food. It's so hot today and I got on long sleeve, but it's really hot. I'm just praying it's not too packed because it's really hot out here.
Never mind. Long ass one.
Y'all remember when I said it tastes like butter? It tastes like butter? I can't wait to try it. No, it looks so good. This is the first thing I smelled when I came over here. I'm standing in front of the fan. That's how hot it is.
Oh, you want to get one now?
Oh my god, bro. This ain't no Iron Age. That Wagyu, how was that Wagyu?
Like, that was the best meat I've ever had. No exaggeration.
No exaggeration, for real.
Before coming out here, and ain't no cut was good like that.
We got tasty oysters.
Compared to the green tea we be drinking.
Looking around, figuring out what we want to wear. We're actually going to come back tomorrow morning because we want to have like all day to wear these kimonos. We're all barefooted.
I like this one.
But the guys one is more simple and plain, unlike the females where they have all the colors and stuff.
Well, this is, I guess I'm gonna stick with this one. Which I think.
Thank you. 何時頃来ますか? Bye.
So I can get the stuff that Nala was showing me on. So it opens up once I shake it. You know, kind of like right here.
Oh hell no, I got a bad fortune.
So what number are you going to pull? Five. Okay, one. You broke it?
It's 5 in the morning, but I thought it was gonna be dark, but my hotel room can't see outside. No, this is crazy how bright it is for 5 a.m.
People did say stuff about that, like going to all the places. We're literally in pajamas. Look at them. This is 100 yen, and we've been buying those silly ass water bottles.
We're in our pajamas, my hotel slippers, so I know they're looking at us like,
This is cool. Ooh, that's the pasta. The one we don't know how much.
Arigato.
Juice, soda. I can down it. I got some. Oh, Lord, y'all already.
Day 2.5. We are on our way to
Harajuku.
On our way to Harajuku, about to catch the train, drinking my daily matcha. Yeah, what the fuck? Out of lush right now. My sister wants to look at some skin products. She's over there talking. One thing she's gonna do is put people to work. We're not even that hungry. Well, for me, I'm not that hungry because we ate.
I'm getting hungry.
But, I'm hungry. Which I want to try like McDonald's, sushi.
Can I use this on my face? Yes. Face and body. Okay. Of course, they have stuff for
No, I didn't find anything.
Thank you. I'm chocolate taste. I want two. It's not a difference. It's just that, you know, it's tax-free here.
Okay.
And then my passport was like, no. And I was like, it's still tax-free? And she was like, yes. But they think, she said it. Whatever. This is just a little different. She got some juice left.
Enjoy the moment. It's kind of hard to vlog. When I'm by myself, I can talk to you guys, but I'm with my sisters, so I have people to talk to. We're getting these cheese corn dogs. I got this in my last vlog in Korea. You know what? This is past hot, and this don't even help.
Sugar. No sugar. Oh yeah, no. That was so cute. Who's about to grab it? You need to go eat it. There was so much so bad. We got Kit Kat. 7 would love that. Kit Kat. This is cotton candy. Neon colored cotton candy is so cool.
You got strawberry Kit Kat is what you got?
So they can choose. Because I got this.
They need to get out. Do you know how these movies go? Where are we gonna get them? They're in a 7th floor store, Arakajo. Be for real. You talking about go get them in a 7th floor store? They're not panicking. Hang up and call her. Just hang up and call her again. Oh, she don't got no service. So we're currently sitting on the sidewalk of H&M and what we would think would be like an emergency, you know, weather thing. Like usually in Georgia it might say like a tornado warning, but it sounded like an Amber Alert, but a different alert, and it said earthquake warning, expect shaking in a little bit. And it came onto everyone's phone and everyone stopped walking, and me and my brother got so scared. Plus we're drinking. We have yet to feel anything, but my brother went in the store to go get my sisters, which is a 7-story store, so they could be on any floor. One of them is of course not answering their phone. Don't know what's going on, but we haven't shaken yet, so my phone is currently dead, and I told my brother I'm gonna be waiting right here. But I'm not gonna lie, you know, once you start drinking, you're like, oh yeah, it's go time. So I'm just like, I'm about to go in and get me another one. Okay, he's out here. He's out here. I want another one.
Let me show your passport. I had to come in the store to get some air. I just drunk this Jack Daniels Coca-Cola, and that shit got me lit. Y'all know I'm a lightweight because I barely drink. While I'm getting lit, we get an urgent message, 7.1 earthquake in Japan. My mind is spinning thinking about that. Also, it's spinning because of the Jack Daniels drink. It's 7% alcohol. This is more than 7%. She want me to drink so bad. We've been in the Mega Mart for like 2 hours.
For real? You mean
What time is it in America?
That you go upstairs, it's tax free.
Yeah.
I know. Like it hurts, so I can't even go in and look for her. That's a
One
chicken
more.
Jack Daniels waiting on y'all. Oh, watch her stop recording me.
What, day 4? Last night we went to One Oak, Tokyo. Night was had. We got invited to an event for this fruit smoothie. Starts at 5:30, so we have like 30-40 minutes until the event starts. I will show you guys my food. I might record on my phone. I doubt it. My camera's dying. I do want to save it for the event. We're about to just grab real quick and I'll come back to y'all. You can do it.
I'm from USA. Cheers. Cheers. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. 最高です。ありがとうございます。
やばい。